Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make unlimited money in the Sims Freeplay. Before we get into this, I want to say, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, I might not have the best audio quality today. I promise that'll be better within the next few videos. So now let's get into this. In the Sims Freeplay, it can seem pretty pay to win, which in some ways it is, but in others it's not, if you know how to do it right. So, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to try to get to level 7. Just get, the way you get to level 7 is, just complete the quests and stuff. Yeah, just complete the quest. And then once you get to level 7, just, do anything you can to level up. Like, don't do interactions, just do quest after quest. And then, finish all the beginning and everything. And then once you get to level 7, download it. You can download the extra content by going, I'm pretty sure it's in the settings, might be wrong, and then you can just click the button and download extra content. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the world with all the houses and stuff, and then you're going to want to destroy the second house, which you're kind of forced to build, I'm pretty sure. Destroy that, sell everything in it, delete the person, and then delete the house. And then you're going to want to just want to try and maybe sell a room. Like I sold my Sims bathroom, I think, so I could then afford it, and then build a Japanese retreat. It cost about $9,000. Yeah, $9,000 at the beginning. It takes 5 minutes to build if you have one house only on your lot. And then you just get it, and then you sell everything inside of it, every single thing. Delete the person that you had to create for it. Delete that person by just kind of clicking on them and then clicking delete. And then, this is the lot and everything. You can sell, you can make a profit just selling the statue and the thing, center of the screen right now. You make about a $1,000 profit just selling those two things alone. Imagine what the rest of the house is like, especially the rooms and everything. You can make about $70,000-80,000 profit, and it only takes 5 minutes to build. And then you can just sell the lot. But there's one downside to this. When you do it, you can lower your land value, and you don't get your daily rewards and stuff. And a lot of people around the same everything as you might have much higher land values. But besides that, it's a really good technique. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure love this technique. With that being said, thank you for watching. Goodbye.